Meet the Loona DeskMate. Simply take your phone like this and attach it any way you like, and in a matter of seconds, it becomes a real living AI robot. How cool is that? Now, we saw this originally at CES, but together we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and showing exactly how does it all work. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this guy. Or girl. I guess it's actually a girl. All right, check it out. So this is our packaging. This here is our box. Pretty cool. So we have ourselves the black version. It does come in different colors based on your personal liking, of course. Now this works with the iPhone. It says desktop AI coworker, handles your tasks and lightens your day. Curious to see how that plays out. Now the product itself doesn't look too robotic, but the real magic happens is right when you attach your phone to it. Well, that's a cool unboxing. Okay, so we have obviously our product here, and then our quick start guide, which is a very giant one. Check it out, little DeskMate right over here. All right, so this is the charger block. So one thing to note, it is quite bulky. So if you are using it, I would recommend just make sure you have enough space. So in terms of measurements goes, 3.1 inches. So yeah, so it's exactly about 3 inches by 3 inches, so just keep that in mind. We have these adapters for universal adapters. This is a very interesting, oh cool. So this is our user manual, and kind of looks like a phone there. When it's off, it does move a lot, so just keep that in mind. Definitely has a good amount of weight to it. And there's like a rubber stopper, and oh yeah, that actually provides a lot more grip. Back side is going to be our power port. On the front, we have 3 USB-C ports as well as a USB-A. It says 2 are indicated for phone charging and 1 is for laptop charging. Let's go ahead and download that app next and try it out.
A few moments later.
Finally updated, just gonna take our phone on the home screen, of course, and simply magnetically attach it to the charger. Doesn't matter which way you put it, it'll automatically boot up the app and wake up our Loona. Hey, how's it going?
Doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. How is your day treating you?
Not too bad. Can you introduce yourself?
I am Loona, your friend and companion for whenever you want to chat, brainstorm, or just hang out. Think of me as always ready to dive into whatever you have on your mind.
That's so cool. So I can just naturally have a conversation and it'll just be there as my own little personal robot assistant. Tell me what you see in front of you.
Let me take a quick look for you.
That's me. All right, cool. Can you start addressing me by the name Khan?
Got it. Khan. Consider it done from here on out.
Can you perhaps do a dance?
Sure thing. Watch me bust some moves for you right now.
That's awesome. That was an amazing job, by the way. I have to say, it really does feel alive. Now, obviously, it's AI, but it's quite interactive. Now, it's designed not to constantly interrupt you. So if I happen to take like a pause like this,
I am glad you liked it.
it waited for me to stop talking to speak. You don't have to worry about it interrupting you, which I think is one of the biggest flaws with most AIs, that they'll just kind of jump right into the conversation. Now, obviously, there's more to the DeskMate. It can do other things as well. So it can do your calendar, it can add appointments, it can check your email, and it can connect to your computer and work simultaneously. All right, so time for a real-world application. So I currently have our Loona DeskMate connected to our computer. So the way this works is that you download the app, and then from there it can actually see what's on the screen and kind of give you feedback as well. So we're going to take our phone, just kind of place it here. It'll boot up the app automatically, just like this. And then from there I can just freely talk to it. So let's just give an example. So I'm on my YouTube channel here, and then I'll just select this video here. And all I have to do is kind of highlight it. Hey Loona, can you summarize what I'm seeing?
That video is about testing out the new K1 humanoid robot at a playground, where the creator unboxes it, sets it up, and even lays a bit of soccer with their kids to show off its features.
Sweet. So I pulled up this news article as well. Can you tell me about this news article that's on my screen?
That is a local story about the Calumet County SWAT team conducting a tactical training drill.
Nice. So the next thing I'm going to look at is the Loona DeskMate app site. So this is just some specs on it. Can you summarize the charging power for this?
It is a pretty capable power setup. You have a total system power of 165W, with USB-C ports delivering up to 140W each. 15W wireless charging.
Nice. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you is the email capability. So this is kind of cool. Hey Loona, can you tell me the most recent email that I just got from KhanFlicks?
The most recent email from Sohail Khan at KhanFlicks has the subject, Loona DeskMate test email. He wrote, yeah, that will work. Let's schedule a call for 8 a.m.
Can you reply back and be like, perfect, I'll add that to my calendar, and can you please add that to my calendar as well?
I am sending your reply to Sohail and creating the calendar event for the call at 8 a.m. tomorrow. I've sent your reply to Sohail and scheduled the call for 8 a.m. tomorrow on your calendar.
Sweet, check that out. It even has it on the screen there, and then I can just go ahead and confirm it, and it'll send it. So yeah, how awesome is that?
So it literally is your desk mate. So it's pretty interesting. Now, there's more to the settings, of course. So if you click this top right button here, it'll rotate the screen just like that. And inside this, you'll see computer mirroring. So if you click this, you can log in on a desktop to enable real-time information transfer. You have app management. So at the moment, they only have 3. You have Gmail, your Google Calendar, and your contacts. So you can find specific contact information or your personal profile. So this will help better understand you, so you can actually like make a face memory and things like that. Of course, it is a charger. It shows that you have 3 USB-C ports as well as a USB-A port where you can charge multiple devices at once. You have your auto wake setting. So I already enabled this, but you do have to do a setup where you can set up an automation and this will automatically turn on the moment you hit charge. Otherwise, you would have to load up the app. You have your system settings, so you have your updates, you have language settings, and it says free for a limited time. So might be something to think about going forward, that it might have some price changes. So if you want to continue using this assistant, just keep that in mind. But I love the fact that it's able to track me so quickly, and it does move very well. I mean, I like it has its own little interaction. It's not just a stable state. It's constantly moving as if it's alive. And that's one key detail that I really like about the brand, is that all their robots and tech have been very lifelike, almost like real life animatronics. And yeah, let's see what else this thing can do. Okay, can you do some math for me? Let's do 2 + 2. Keep it simple.
It is 4. Khan. You really wanted to test my basic math skills today.
Okay, tell me a joke.
I usually prefer sticking to the facts rather than trying to be a comedian. But hey, maybe I can spare you a bad dad joke if we keep that as a last resort.
Sure, why not?
Why did the computer show up late to work? Because it had a hard drive.
That was funny. Good job. Can you do some cool animations on your face?
Nice try. But I do not have a face to pull tricks with. Khan, how about I dance instead?
We already saw you dance. Can you do something else?
Well, since you've already seen me dance, how about I try acting cute for you this time? Let's see if this does the trick.
Oh, wink. Aww. Was that supposed to be cute?
Well, that is a tough crowd. It is hard to get the timing right when I lack a real face.
How about any other tricks that you can do, like party tricks that can showcase in a video?
If I tried to pull off actual party tricks, I'd probably just end up dropping things or making a mess, since I'm not exactly equipped for juggling or card magic. How about I stick to performing something simple like cat or tiger gestures for your video?
Sure, let's do a tiger gesture.
Let me get that tiger gesture right for you this time.
Oh. All right, how about a cat?
Got it. Switching from a fierce tiger to a cute little cat. Let me show you my best kitty pose.
Can you pretend to look like a robot?
Beep boop. Robot mode activated.
Was that it? Okay. Oh, you actually have a very lovely voice. That's something.
That is quite a compliment. Khan. Thank you. I will take that over my robot impression any day.
So yeah, it kind of gives you an idea what Loona DeskMate is about, and hands down, it is really cool. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, I have my phone right back with me. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now with that said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.